Hi everyone, I am Shalu here today. Now I am going to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video. So without any delay, let's get started. So friends, today topic is how to improve your spoken English. So I just want to clear that it is very simple. If you really want to improve your spoken part, then you can do it very easily. If you are not consistent and not much focus in your English part, then it is very difficult for you, because English want practice on daily basis. If you are not practice on daily basis, then it is difficult for you. So just try to practice on daily basis. And for starting in spoken English, you just have to knowledge about tenses and modals. If you know about tense and modals, then easily you frame sentences, and you able to find. And you can also take help of your friends. Yeah, and you can also take help of your mirror and phone cameras. It is very beneficial. And after some times of practicing by this, you are able to find that now you are good in English part. By this you can improve yourself, okay. And in starting, yes, you do many mistakes. And but it is not important in beginning. Most important thing is fluent English, and you are able to speak. And after a long time, after some time, you are able to find your mistake. And promise this thing with you, like today I mistake here. In next time, at next time I will not mistake same things in next video or next time. Like this, commitment is very important for doing anything, and consistency is also very important. If you are consistent, if you have commitment, then you are easily do anything. So just try to consistent and do your work and do speaking part on daily basis. So I think all are you getting my point. So hope this video is fruitful for you. It's time to say tata bye bye. I will meet you in next video.